Hello everybody, today is an exciting day because we have Alex here from Nexus Stone and he has come to check and measure the templates for my kitchen and laundry bench tops. I have chosen AC Stone's white canvas for my kitchen and I am really excited to see how it's all going to come together. For those of you who don't know, Nexus Stone is a family-owned business and it started right here in Victoria. And now the business has grown and they service customers all over Australia, but they still have that lovely personal family touch. And that's one of the reasons why Kitchen Shack loves working with them. The collaboration between the Kitchen Shack designers and the stonemasons from Nexus makes for not only functional spaces, but also the bench top can make the space stunning. As you can see, Alex from Nexus is already hard at work, checking the templates and measuring according to all the different cutouts, including the sink cutouts, induction cutouts, and it's all as per the plans from my Kitchen Shack designer. It's this precision and attention to detail that transforms a good bench top into an amazing one, and I'm feeling very confident that I'm in safe hands with Nexus. I can't wait to see the finished result and to share it with you all. If you are thinking about renovating, then I highly recommend working with Kitchen Shack and Nexus Stone. Their attention to detail, their ability to serve not only your style, but also your functional needs is really what makes them totally unmatched in the industry. 10 days ago, one of the team from Nexus Stone came and measured my templates, and now my bench tops are fabricated and they are ready to arrive. I'm really excited because this means I am one step closer to not only having my renovation finished, but also just using my kitchen. After the bench tops are in, all that has to happen is the plumber has to come in, do my taps, do my sinks and my dishwasher, and then the Sparky does my induction, and I'm actually able to use my kitchen. I can understand now why the Kitchen Shack designer was asking me if there are stairs or steps in my house. This is really important information to communicate to the delivery team. So as you can see, the guys from Nexus have brought in my AC Stone white canvas bench tops. It's looking amazing. So these bench tops have been crafted by AC Stone from recycled materials to look and feel like natural stone. But the pricing is so much more affordable than if you're going with quartz or marble, which is great for us because it's actually quite a big space. And in fact, across the two spaces, it was 5 slabs in total. And as you could see, it was cut up into lots of different pieces, but 5 slabs total meant that I had enough left to move into the laundry, which was ace. The professionalism of the Nexus Stone team has been next level. Everything's looking amazing. I'm getting really excited about showing you guys the final result, so stay tuned for the big reveal.